Metallicus is FedNow certified. This can help XPR go mainstream. Let's get to it. FedNow moves dollars instantly. Metallicus can connect banks to instant payments. So here we go. So FedNow service participants and service providers. The FedNow service certified service providers as of February 9, 2026. And as you can see, Metallicus, they are here on the list. They have all 4 check marks, and they are on the list with tremendous institutions like BNY Mellon, with Finastra, and Fiserv Solutions. We also got the announcement straight from Metallicus. So as of February 26, Metallicus, a leading provider of digital banking and blockchain infrastructure for credit unions and regulated financial institutions, today announced it has achieved request for payments RFP certification for the FedNow service. Metallicus now enables credit unions to initiate real-time builder-presented payment requests directly through the FedNow instant payment rail, unlocking improved cash flow, faster settlement, and enhanced member experiences. This makes me bullish for XPR because banks like certified partners, and Metallicus is a trusted institution since they are a service participant and service provider of the FedNow services. The FedNow services, they handle payments 24/7. Let's also go check something else that I found very interesting. So here we are on DeFi Llama, and let's sort these chains by TVL. If we go down to the top 50, we will find XPR Network at number 48, I believe. So here we go, number 48. TVL is $42 million. We are about to pass the Ripple Ledger. We're getting close to Ton, Hedera, and even Cardano at number 27. And this is great news for XPR Network because the TVL is growing fast. And last but not least, let's go check out the XPR Network technical analysis. We do have a strong support line at 0.002. We have been stuck here since February 7th, and it is a very strong line of support. Our RSI is looking a bit bearish, but in my opinion, we should hold this level, and maybe we can push back up to around the 0.004 line. And in my opinion, we can push back up to the line of resistance at 0.0026. But overall, I'm very bullish on XPR Network. They are ISO 20022 compatible, and also they are a certified service provider of the FedNow services. Like I said earlier, banks like institutions that can be trusted by the government, and that is huge for XPR Network. Anyways, that's what I have for you guys today. I'll catch you in the next one.